PNG LNG project, when you look at our footprint, it covers 5 provinces. That's a lot of people, a lot of communities that our project footprint runs through.
One of the major objectives of this project is to ensure that we are good neighbors with the communities we work around.
We're here in PNG for the long term. We're going to be operating for 30 years. So it's critical that we're a good neighbor in Papua New Guinea. And to do that, we have to start at the very beginning, and we have to create that relationship with the communities.
The 3 key pillars of the National Content Plan includes workforce development, suppliers development, and strategic community investment.
We've hired 10,000 Papua New Guineans. We've given them over 2 million hours of training.
The training we've got, it's been of world class.
Every time the pipeline moved forward, there was a recruitment program. We ended up recruiting around 4,000 people.
We've worked with suppliers and developing suppliers, set up the Enterprise Center.
So what the Enterprise Center did was run various business training programs that would have been like the director's training, basic bookkeeping training.
The PNG LNG project has set the example. It has worked with the people, that's why it is actually going on. So for these landowners to participate without any capacity, they need an enterprise center. They need a center like us to work with them closely to bring their capacities up to a level where they can be able to at least participate in what's happening in their land.
We are a catering service provider, and we've been engaged by the PNG LNG project. We've been providing the services at the Port Moresby Construction Training Facility.
Well, the PNG LNG project, from what I know, within this footprint area has supported about 25 Lanco companies, but on top of that, of course, we have the other ones that are engaged or supported by the umbrella company. So we would be probably looking at a number close to 40 here.
Part of our engagement includes our community investment focus, and there are 3 areas that we focus on. That includes education, health, women, also environment. When it comes to education, is infrastructure. Providing school maintenance to primary schools within our project area.
The PNG LNG project through ExxonMobil and ESSO Highlands have supported in terms of student learning materials, support through teacher professional development, building maintenance, and other maintenances that were required in the school.
The project recently had this unique opportunity. It involves secondment of doctors from the Texas Children's Hospital and Baylor College. They will be providing support to the health department and UPNG School of Medicine.
Since arriving, I've been working at the General Hospital and working with the university to help train medical students and residents. ExxonMobil's been here for a while. They've had a lot of community initiatives and they've done a lot of great work. And I think what they've seen and what they're doing now is really investing in the future healthcare for Papua New Guinea.
ExxonMobil has done some research and recognized that when we support women, the support that we give them goes broader than just the women themselves. It goes into the communities, it goes into the families, and has a big economic impact in the area.
ExxonMobil help us with the ingredients and also the equipments like the drum ovens, and where we teach them how to cook food, nutritious food for their family. ExxonMobil sponsor 122 drum ovens. These drum ovens are set in a place like this, a roundhouse, and then we put the drum oven in and then we train them how to do baking. The men have been changed. They said Now you can go forward, and they are now helping the men is helping the women now. We are breaking this culture, but now the men and women are like equal opportunity for them.
And they've been able to make money, they've been able to get bank accounts, and they now can support themselves, send their children to school, and they've actually built a bakery. So it's really exciting to see all of that through just a small amount of support that we've given them. And it's made huge differences, not only in the lives of the women, but in the lives of the men there.
One of the big steps going forward is the biodiversity offset program, where two of the components are about protected areas and supporting protected areas, strengthening those protected areas, and the other is creating new protected areas. Lake Kutubu sits right on a project impact area, so it's one of our key focus areas. We are supporting the Lake Kutubu Wildlife Management Area through technical expertise. We are providing support through funding, through infrastructure, building of infrastructure. We are supporting them by providing them with capacity building so that the Wildlife Management Committee will be able to stand on its own 2 feet and carry out the wildlife conservation programs around the lake.
One of the unique support that we provide to our communities, apart from the dollar investment, is actually getting our workforce out there, engaging with community, and that's something that's really exciting. That also demonstrates, it goes beyond just the money support and giving a sense to our workforce to give something back to the community.
The enjoyment of working with the communities is, particularly when we have our visits, going out to the villages and seeing the children that, enjoy what has been provided by the project is an enjoyable moment that we share with kids. And I think that's one of the attributes that I've had from upstream right down to the plant site areas, communities.